Hey guys, in this video, show you how to see word counts on Google Docs. First, you want to come here to the top panel. If you don't see this, that means you're probably on a full screen view like this. All you need to do is go ahead and press the escape button on your keyboard, and we have this top menu available. And then here you see this option that says tools. Okay, I want you to come here, click on tools. And then we have this option that says word count. Alternatively, what you can do is you can press Control plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. Okay, I'll just go ahead and click on this to show you. Shows us that we have 4 pages, 1,296 words, this many characters, and this one is excluding the spaces. And if you want to display the word count while typing, just go ahead and toggle this one on. And then I want you to come here and click on OK. So there we go. It shows we have 1396 words. And if I type more, for example, like this, we just added 2 more words. And it's really that easy and simple.